Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, just showing you what is in our October Creative Kit Club box. It is a beautiful Aussie themed kit. We've used the Under the Gum Leaves collection by Kaiser Craft, and let's take a look what's in the box. So this here is the Wooden Flourish Pack. The Under the Gum Leaves collectibles, such cute little Australian animals in here. Under the Gum Leaves laser cut with those cute gum leaves. This is a little wooden stamp. It's got that kind of circular, like mixed media-y type element in it, so it's a wooden stamp. There are some beautiful red flowers and these gorgeous gold berry type flowers. Some cute little mini sequins, a green ink pad, a set of these sticky glass dome thingies, don't know what technically you're going to call them, and a little chevron stencil. There is the magazine, of course, which has got all of the ideas in here for you to make, layouts at the front and cards at the back, and the cut apart sheet. And you can obviously purchase additional cut apart sheets, so these little domes, sticky domes, actually can go over these guys, so you can make your own little embellishments. There is a sheet of corrugated cardstock and 2 sheets of the wattle paper. So there's 2 sheets of the same paper this time in case you wanted to do double layouts. There is 2 sheets of the ivory cardstock and 1 sheet of the Merlot cardstock. And of course, the Under the Gum Leaves paper pack, which is just stunning. So let's have a quick look at the projects, and I'll explain the 2 dies which are our add-ons this month. So this is the first project here. This is one of mine, and there are 2 dies. There's this one here, which is the Protea die, which we'll see a little bit better later on, and this little guy here, which is called Mosaic Texture. So that's the first layout, and this one's my second layout. That's my little Bella, and that's the die, and this one here is by Rachel Lowe. And now you can see that gorgeous Protea die. Isn't it beautiful? Cute little family photo there too. This is one by me, and this does show more of the mixed media element in the stamp and the stencils and stuff. And there's my little Pearly. Now, although this is not a Christmas themed kit, there is some Christmas elements in there, so I did this cute little Christmas layer of Pearly. Sorry, I'll try not to get shadows or light in it. And this is one by Yvette, and Yvette has used that gorgeous mosaic die on this one. You get a real good look at that and her Christmas holidays. I love how she did this cute little element up there. Okay, so again you can get a good look at the Protea die and the cute little layouts the girls have made. Again, this is that stamp. I love what Yvette did with the stamp. She's drawn the little branches in there and made this tree, done this adorable layout of her girls. I just love it. She's just thought outside the box so well with that one. I love that Yvette. And again, not a Christmas kit, but there is a couple of Christmas elements in there with these baubles, so you can use it as a Christmas kit. Let's just take a quick look at the cards. Julie Persisco also joined us for cards along with Shana and the other girls. Really cute little cards that you can just add some Christmas elements to and make Christmassy, or just make gorgeous little birthday cards. So along with Shana, who made this gorgeous little card with that die, we had Samantha Claby join us. So she's done these cute little cards too. Aren't these just perfect for your stash? One little Christmas one there, all the rest are just birthday ones. I just love them. 2 quick bonus layouts. The Rachel and I think Yvette, no, maybe, I'm not sure, that we've got here. These are in the magazine as well, even though there is already 8 up there. We've got these 2 in the magazine as well. So you've got so many to choose from. Quick look at the 2 dies. Our Protea Bloom die is $17.60. Great price, fantastic die. And the Mosaic Texture is $15.80. So these are the 2 dies. And last of all, before I finish, is the quick want to show you the Crafternoon card making kit, just $25. These cards have been designed by Tanya Ridgewell. Perfect for all your crafty, sewy, painty, artistic, any of your friends. They're just really bright, beautiful and happy, and they come in the kit like this with the well, not instructions, but the exact size cards at the front with all your little bits and pieces in there. So this is all available on our website now, www.uniquelycreative.com.au. You can only buy the kits from us, but you will be able to pick up the 2 beautiful dies at your local craft store or your favourite online store. Thanks guys, till next time, bye.